In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export WordPress users table from database in CSV format using phpMyAdmin. First of all, log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for the databases section. Right here, look for phpMyAdmin, then go ahead and open it. Within the phpMyAdmin, right here on the left, look for the database which is associated with the WordPress installation. In my case, it's this one. Let's open it. Now look for the table called WP_users. It should be somewhere at the bottom, right here. Just keep in mind that some cases the prefix WP may be different. So what you can do is in the search at the very top, just type _users, and you should find the table. It's right here. Let's go ahead and open it. And here's the table content. Now let's go ahead and export it. For that, at the very top, click on export. For the export method, select quick. Format, let's change it to CSV. And for the rows, select the first option, dump all rows, and then click on export. The CSV file should be downloaded to your local computer. Now let me log into Google Sheets and then import the file. Import data. And here's the content of the table. In my case, I don't have too many users on my test website, but generally you should see some columns such as user login, password hashes, user emails, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.